Our family moved here about 40 years ago, actually. When we first moved here and planted our vineyard in the Eola Hills, there were no other vineyards around, and we thought this was the Garden of Eden. So we went ahead and planted our vineyard and got going in the wine industry, and it gradually got more successful and it gradually got more people involved. And then we started to realize things were changing.
People love living here. The soil and the climate of the Willamette Valley make this a highly productive region for farming, make it a perfect place for growing trees, and make it a beautiful place to live, work, and play. But it's for the very reasons that people love this place that we are quickly losing what makes it special.
So as we're building our homes, as we're planting wine grapes, we're losing that oak. And in fact, we only have 3% of our native oak left.
98% or more of remaining oak habitat is on private land. And so it was paramount for us to take a leadership role, and that was the beginning of what came to be known as the Oak Accord.
The Oak Accord is a grassroots, voluntary agreement among private landowners to protect and restore oak habitat on their property.
The Oak Accord is providing opportunities for landowners to both understand the oak on their property and care for it better, and doing this in ways that not only don't take away from your economic profitability of your land, but actually enhance it.
As a private landowner who hopes to be a multi-generational landowner, it's not a hard conversation to have with somebody where you just point out that the stability of the landscape is in your hands. You are the steward here. You are in charge of what you are handing off. Because we don't regulate or litigate this matter now, we have this sense of urgency around the Oak Accord's mission, and it has a lot to do with new development coming in and getting in front of landowners and explaining to them that there's nothing lost in managing your property this way.
So part of what makes the Oak Accord so special is it really is a community of landowners, land managers, and other people in the Willamette Valley who care deeply about the future of this place, care deeply about the future of oak, and we need you. We need you to come in and help us in any way you can. If you're a landowner, we need you to sign the Oak Accord, and we need you to go to your neighbors and tell them about the Oak Accord.
Willamette Partnership can help you put together a restoration plan for your property and connect you to the technical and financial resources that you're going to need to get that done.
If you don't own land, we still need you. Spread the message around the Oak Accord, donate financially, whichever ways you can help, we're ready.
All of the funds we raise for the Accord go directly to supporting on-the-ground restoration of oak habitat. There is an urgent need to fund projects that will protect and restore what little oak remains, and even to establish new areas of woodland and savanna. Our dream is to see a healthy, connected expanse of Oregon white oak throughout the Willamette Valley, one that can support a local economy and a community and sustain the native species that depend on this habitat type. Willamette Partnership helped put this in motion, but the power of the Oak Accord is actually in the cumulative effect of collective action. It is each person doing their little bit in their own backyard that will be the reason that we are able to turn things around. And hopefully, future generations will thank us for acting before it's too late.